दोस्तों आज है मेरी तैयारी का डे 85, एज यू कैन सी डे 85। और जो मेरा टारगेट है यूपीएससी 2024 उसके लिए डे रह रहे हैं ओनली 284 डेज रह रहे हैं। आज है 16 अगस्त, तो देखते हैं कि आज का मेरा शेड्यूल क्या होगा, क्या मेरा आज का टारगेट। एज यू कैन सी दिस इज माई टुडेज टारगेट। फ्रॉम 9 to 10 I will do technical learning, and after that I have these 6 study block, during which I will do study of GS2 welfare scheme for vulnerable section like health, education, HR, poverty and hunger, these things. Though I have covered half portion of this in my earlier study, so today I will cover remaining half portion and I will finish this portion of GS2. Okay, from 10 to 11, 11 to 12, and then from 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, and 1 to 2 is my time for co margin gain and monthly current affair. And yes, 6 to 7 is my break time, evening break, and then 7 to 8 I will do again co margin gain, research and development. So this is my today's schedule. Let us see how much I will achieve. Thank you.